Let me show you how to pin a design or for your creations on Ideogram. So click on my creations on the left hand side. Here you'll be able to find all the images that you've designed and you can quickly pin them, not by clicking the heart to like it, but by click the three dots at the top. And here you have the option in the list to pin. You can click pin and you may be wondering, okay, where do I find those pin designs or images once I pin them? Here you can simply look at the top and here you have pins and you'll be able to find all those pinned images, right? The same if you want to like an image, you can simply go to any image, even your own images, and you can click in heart, or let's go back to explore. You can find something else and you can click put the heart there as well. And so those are now shown under creations here, what likes, and you can see them. So here you can easily find those likes and you can see the images. But so that's how you can quickly pin images on Ideogram. Now, if you want to unpin them, it's the same thing, right? You find those pin images, you click the three dots there, and here you have unpinned, and that's how you can easily unpin them if you need to, right? So for the likes, it's super easy. You hover over them, and you can just easily click the heart away as well as you can see to unlike them. So that's it, guys. That's how you can pin or let's say unpin your images or images on Ideogram.